Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. Welcome to Louis Corpuz Music. If you also want to see my kickboxing and Muay Thai videos, check out Louis Corpuz. So here we have this 25 pesos acoustic strings from Shopee. So we're gonna put it here. My Fender resonator. So start. On Facebook, you can find me Louis Corpuz. So you can check out the link of the strings. It's only 25 pesos. It's like half a dollar or something. I'm gonna start removing this. Okay, Louis Corpuz Music.